Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have a few joysticks. We have this one that has broken. There's a pin, I suppose you'd call that, missing on that one. Quite a rubbish joystick, and it's got broken stems. The rubber feet have perished. So all in all it's not particularly good, but this is the cabling, and as you can see they're all micro switched, and I think they all work. They sound as if they do. Might need to, that one sounds a bit iffy, might need to do a bit of cleaning on these. But the idea is, with this quick shot, this isn't a micro switch one. It says no up or down, so I tested it previously. So what I'm going to do is take this one apart and see if I can put the micro switches instead of the rubbish ones that's in here. So just need to take all the screws out. There's a screw under each foot at the back. There's actually screws under the feet at the top as well. And I'll get back to you. A quick note here, with these joysticks you have to take the handle off as well to get the base apart. I'll just do this and I'll show you. Okay, when you've got all the screws apart, out, you can pull these bits apart. Like so, and all the switch mechanism. And then you can then put the rest of the unit apart. Now, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to put the switches in here. I'm just looking at it anyway. I don't think there's anywhere to put them. Place. Even though it looks like it's not going to be possible to put micro switches in this, I think I might be able to clean it up and get it working. So I'll give that a go anyway while I've got it apart. So a little spraying of IPA. I can see what's wrong with this. Look, this one's split, so that one's not going to work. That one's split, that one's split, so they're all split. Probably, no, that one's split as well. So for this to work it would need new ones of these. I might be able to salvage out of another joystick. I'll clean this up while I've got it apart. Is this one split? That one's not split. I'll give it a clean anyway. Just a really gentle wipe on that, because if you take all the carbon off, they will stop working. Let's put that one back in. And get it back in there. And then there's another one under there. Right, I have to take a few more screws out. Bear with me, all the screws out. So, getting a bit of a clean up with IPA, get the muck and dust off it. Pull that off. Yeah, that was not split, so it's not the 5 buttons are okay, it's just the direction buttons that are split. Let's clean it nicely. A slight clean on there. And put it back together. This bit goes in there like that. Line all the tabs up. And the screws go back in to hold it together. That's all that part. Not much point in putting it back together, so I need some more of these. I have another joystick here, so I'm just going to take this one apart to see if all the bits are split on this one as well. Okay, I've got that one apart. Some more IPA. Everything a bit of a clean up. Right, let's pull these off, see what these are like. That one's not split. These aren't split, they may just be dirty. So just cleaning them may make it work. Let's have a look what we've got. I'll give these a bit of a clean. I'm doing these with a dry swab with no IPA at the moment because you can take the carbon off if you put too much IPA on, and then it don't work anyway then. Done. That one seems okay. So we'll just put these back in. all the buttons back in. Just going to spray a bit of contact cleaner on the switch. This is the mode switch for which particular system you're using the joystick on. Okay, so that's that one. Everything else looks fine on there. Just go take the circuit board off and have a look at the piece that's under here. More IPA. There we go. Take that one off as well. Looks okay. These get clean. Let's put some contact cleaner into this switch. This is the auto fire switch, this one. Put these bits back on. One. And that way. You can see how these go in. You just put the legs through. They're all rubber, and you grab them from the back and pull them through, and they sort of lock into place like so. Now I've just got to put everything back together again and see if it'll work. Okay, so I've got that one back together. Just have to test it now.